In a major development, the Supreme Court today granted bail to BRS leader K. Kavitha in both the ED and CBI cases linked to the alleged Delhi liquor policy scam. She is the third high-profile leader to be granted bail in the case after AAP leaders Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh. Noting that the trial in the case would take a long time to conclude, the court said K. Kavitha was entitled to beneficial treatment available to women under Section 45 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA. A division bench of Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice K.V. Vishwanathan observed that courts, while deciding such matters, should exercise discretion judicially. A woman being well-educated or sophisticated or a member of parliament or member of legislative council does not disentitle her from the benefit of proviso to Section 45 of the PMLA Act. The top court found the Delhi High Court's interpretation of the PMLA proviso flawed, particularly in its assertion that an educated or sophisticated woman should be treated differently in bail considerations. If this Delhi High Court order is allowed to become law, these perverse observation would mean no educated woman can get bail, it said. The Supreme Court found the statements of the co-accused, who later turned approvers, insufficient to deny bail to Kavitha, especially given the lack of independent corroborative evidence. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, arrested by both agencies, continues to remain in jail. He got bail in ED matter but not in the one filed by CBI. The Supreme Court has adjourned his bail plea in the same a few days back till September 5th.